sure this comes up an awful lot. How much will I have to pay out of pocket? Right? So my company gives me a benefit. Benefit means it's something that should benefit me. Why do I have to pay some things out of pocket? How much am I going to have to pay out of pocket for a top-of-the-line vision insurance company?
Well, it depends on the type of plan that is set up between the insurance company and the employer. There are a lot of different plan designs. A top-of-the-line insurance company is going to have different plan designs to offer. Some employers will purchase the basic lens plan, routine eyeglass exam with basic lenses covered, which would be your single vision or lined bifocal lenses in glass or plastic. Polycarbonate is always covered through a top-of-the-line plan for children under the age of 19.
Nice.
And then there's also usually a frame allowance. And then there would be, if
contact lenses,
then there would be an allowance for that. You want to find out first what exactly your coverage plan is. And then if you choose to get what we call non-covered lens options, say for example you're covered for a basic lined bifocal lens, but you like a no-line progressive lens.
That's what I like, yeah. Yes.
If your plan doesn't cover the progressive no-line bifocal lens, then a top-of-the-line insurance company is going to have in their contracts with the provider or doctor offices the ability to control the costs on those out-of-pocket expenses for the member. And what that means for a member would be if you want to purchase that progressive option on your lenses, you're not going to be paying a huge amount, the normal retail amount even, on a set of those lenses. The insurance company is going to have a contract to keep those costs down, lower than the normal retail rates that the doctor would charge.
Mm-hmm.
So that's, and you want to know that up front too. You want to always ask the provider before you agree to purchase the glasses what your out-of-pocket cost, if any, is going to be.
And of course, we could go spend $10,000 a year on vision insurance and have everything covered, but nobody does that, right? It's just like automobile insurance. I don't go spend $10,000 so that every little nick I can get, I insure and use, hopefully a good way of thinking about it. And the company has decided, and this is how much they allow. But if I get the progressives, I'm still paid toward that, right? Even though that wasn't part of the plan, where just the single lens was, but now I want progressives.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. You still get some money towards that.
Right.
That the insurance company basically, we're not absorbing it, but they're keeping that cost down. So a progressive lens might cost, $300 to $450 retail.
Yeah.
But if you at least have the coverage for the basic lined bifocal lens, and you just have to pay a little bit out of pocket, there's so many progressive lenses out there, so many choices, from your standard progressives to your premium progressives to your digital progressives. You could spend between $58 perhaps and $140.
Mm-hmm.
But even the $140 on a top of the line is certainly better than $400.
Oh, absolutely. And I'm vain enough. I want the progressives.